you sound absolutely philosophical at times. Why is that? Because you are not a conventional politician.
I'm not a politician. And I'm very happy to openly say it in your TV channel. I'm not a politician. And whoever said that only a politician can bring change in society. Politician is a cog in a wheel. There are many elements. So I wear different hats. But the most important thing is that whatever I do it from my heart and I'm sincere about it. And I think that's why the people have also showed enough love back to me.
Where is this philosophical trait in you coming from?
I think it comes from the various hours I've spent in the library, the books, me meeting people from different parts of the society. When I meet you, I learn something. When I meet the people behind the camera, I learn something. When I go to a village, when I meet an old lady who has probably not had the meal, but it packed me something so that I can eat something on my way ahead. You learn a lot. I've learned from my friends in Shillong who are not necessarily from aristocratic families.
Right.
So you learn. And philosophy only, your outlook to life only improves when you remain humble and you keep your ears open.
Now, in the